Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn English with Sushila. My 20-second video is sounds of the letters of English alphabet. Letters are used to make words. It means words are made of letters. The set of letters in every language is called alphabet. In Hindi alphabet, there are 52 letters and 52 sounds. But in English alphabet, there are 26 letters and 44 sounds. Out of 26 letters, there are 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. And 2 semi-vowels. They are W and Y. Remaining 19 letters are consonants. First, I'll be telling you the difference between vowel and consonant. Vowel is a letter standing for an open sound that can be spoken independently. It means a vowel does not depend on any other letter for its sound. But consonants are the letters that can sound with the help of some vowel or semi-vowel only. Now I'll be explaining sounds of all the letters. I'll begin with the sounds of vowels. First vowel, that is A. Letter A has many sounds like A, or O. So first I am telling a sound, that is short. That is cat, mat, rat. But long A sound, land. Same way A sound, short sound is take, make, or fake or sake, but long A sound is may. Same way A sound, glass, class. It's short A sound, but long A sound is car. Here it's long. And then we have the sound O, like call, mall, small, etc. So this way letter A is having many sounds. Next, letter E. First sound is, in letter E, first sound is A, like bed, pen, or egg. Then A sound, mother, der, T-H-E-R, mother. That is A sound of letter E. Then E sound, seam, S-E-E-M, seam. That is E sound, long E sound. Then English, it's E sound. E sound means short sound of E. So here you have seen there are 4 sounds of letter E, then I. First sound of I is E, the like hit, sit, fit, or idiot. Then there is sound that is I sound. Same sound which is the name. That is 9. Here I sound is there. Then A sound of letter I, that is first. See here, first. Then it's one more sound is there, it is I, like iron. It's iron, not iron. So say iron. And sound here is I. Next, letter O. O letter is having many sounds. First is O, like mode, road. Then A sound, onion. Here letter O is giving the sound A, onion. Then caught, O sound, O. Then U sound of letter O, good. Then U sound of letter O, that is move. And one more sound is there, V, like one, O-N-E, one. That is the sound of O. Next, U, last vowel. And its sounds are U, pull, U. Then but, A sound. Then by. It means here A sound is there, by, B-U-Y. Next, June, U sound, June. And then Y sound, cute. So these are the sounds of the different vowels. Next, sounds of semi-vowels. These are 2, W. W is having its own sound, W. So one, W-N, one. Then cow, oo sound, or few, here also oo sound is there. Then saw, aw, that is also sound of W. Next is Y. Y is also semi-vowel and its sounds are first year, year, round the ear, year. Then E, gym, G-Y-M, gym, it's E sound. Then E sound, sorry, E sound. Then I sound, cry, that is I sound. So this way you have seen sounds of vowels and semi-vowels. Now we are doing sounds of consonants. First is B. B letter is giving the sound B, like book, bat. So it's simple, B sound. Next is C. Letter C is having two sounds, K and S. Sound, if letter C is followed by A, O, U or L, generally we get K sound. For example, cat or caught or cut or clean. These are K sound because these letter C was followed by A, O, U or L. Then S sound. How it comes? When letter C is followed by I or E, then sound comes S, like circle. Then circus. Same way, census, Janganna which we call, or censor. So here we are getting sound S from the letter C. Then D. D letter is having only simple D sound, very soft D sound, like doll, dog. Then F. The sound of F is very important because it's different from Hindi. In Hindi we say fool, but in English we say fool, fool, that is murk. And fake, that is, it's not real, that is fake. So remember sound F, fool or fake. Then G sound. Letter G is also having two sounds. One is J, the other is G. When we are having I, E or Y, after G, sound comes J, like ginger or gentle or gym. So these, if this letter G is followed by I, E or Y, then sound comes J. But if it's followed by A, O or U, sound comes G, like garment, go or gun. Next, letter H. Letter H gives the sound H. Very easy, like habit, hobby. Then J. J is having sound J, like jeep, jug. Then letter K. Letter K is also having the sound K, like kite, keep. But in some words, letter K is, it's not giving it sound. It's silent, like no, K-N-O-W, no, or knit, K-N-I-T, knit. Next, L. Letter L is having sound L. For example, lamb or lion. Then M. Letter M is having sound M, like male or man. Next, N. Letter N. N is having the sound N, like nail or nose. Then letter Q. Letter P. P should be there. P is having P sound, simple P sound, like pen or papaya. Then Q. Q is having two sound. One is K and the other is P. So if we are having sound K, then Q, Q-U-E, U-E, that is the example. Or queen, their sound is P, Q, then it's queen. Next, R. Letter R. R is having sound R, like rabbit or rat. Then comes letter S. Letter S gives three sounds. One is S, other is Sh, and third is Z. How? When we say silent, it's S sound. Then when we say sugar, the sound is Sh. But when we say poison, here so letter is same as, but sound becomes Z. Next, T. T is having the sound T, like tomato, tree. Next letter is V. V is having very soft sound. V, van, or value. So very soft sound. Then W, you have already seen where sound is different from V, that is wow. Then X. Letter X is having two sounds. One is X, and the other is Z. Example of the sound X is extreme, and letter X is having one more sound Z. Then word is xenophobia. This word is not Indian word, it's a foreign word and it's not used in India, but you should know its meaning. Xenophobia means feeling of fear or hatred of foreign people and cultures, but in India we don't use it, it's not popular here. And last letter is zebra, means Z letter, and sound is Z, not J, sound is Z, zebra or zone. So you should have this difference in your mind between J and Z. J is giving sound J, but Z is giving sound Z, like zebra or zone. So when you are making words, you should take care of these sounds. You should practice of this sound, and then naturally your punctuation, your pronunciation will improve, and your spoken English will be better. Thank you.